Hello everybody, my name is Michael. I will show you how you can put a safety line on your GoPro. Unfortunately, GoPro haven't made any points to put the safety line on the camera. So we have to put it on the camera frame. I use a small line which I got from the GoPro surf mounts equipment. But you can use any rope, small rope, just not too thick. This is 1 millimeter thick. And you have to make a loop like this. And I cannot recommend to put it in between the connection and the foot like this, which I have seen many does, because this connection, these tabs under the frame, I have also seen broken, so then it won't do any good. So I put it in at the back door of the frame, which I have to take off, and then loop it around here like this. Yes. And then there's a little cut here where the line should be, and then we have to get it back on the frame. So it fixed to the frame, and when you lock it, it's quite stable and nothing will happen to the camera. So put the foot on. And then it's ready to get on anything. When you put the safety line on the safety mount, you just put it in and around the camera like this, and then the safety line is on. Here I show you how I put it on my helmet. First the safety line. Around the camera. So, and the camera on, and tighten it, and it's ready to go. And I can also show you how I put the safety line on my kite surfing board. The line in the safety mount around the camera, and in this case the safety line has a bonus because I can use it around the camera to hold it in position so the camera won't tip forward like this, as you can see in one of my other videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you can use this little tip. Bye bye.